All right, so we are on a journey to make the experience here more efficient. So, what we have done is we have created a process to make your submission of task and, understanding some of the things to outsource and how to get assistance or help in outsourcing some things. So, this is going to kind of be a test. So we've created this AI agent to assist you as while you are a client of our your outsourcing club. So some of the prompts, and these may change, so bear with us as we upgrade this process frequently. So most of the time, what we have found is that people are requesting like sales pages, right? So let's just go ahead and click and start with, can you help me get a sales page done? And so, in order for this to be an efficient process, our team needs to know exactly, um, what you need in regards to get this sales page done. And so, absolutely, I can get the sales page done. You already uploaded a draft title sales page for Outsourcing Club. Now, that's me, which gives us a solid foundation to build from. So, I have fed this some information to help you guys. Now, do you want to keep the current copy as is or should we update sections? So you want a brand new page. So this is a brand new page request. Okay. Um, so let's just say, for the sake of this, all right, so building it from the ground up, and you can fill it out or upload a doc with the details. So if you see this plus button, you should be able to upload a doc that has the details of your offer, the benefits and the features, the subtitle, um, and all of that. I don't know that I have one, but this will take you through the process. And so if you upload the document, it'll map it out so that when you get the results. So let me see if I can find one to help. All right, so what I ended up doing was creating a page. Um, this is a test page. So we host a workshop every month. This sales page content is fire. It is packed with value. Da 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 da. Your branding. So I would add the color, the fonts, if you have your fonts. So whatever colors I wanted for the sales page, if I wanted to match my brand, include any photos of myself, and then the call to action. Where should the register now? But once you get those, deliver a formatted sales draft. You can put that in a Word document and actually give that to the team. So let's see if we can kind of start over. Let's do another one. All right. And I would like promo images to, or for the workshop, how to enroll more clients in your signature program from the team, size Facebook image and IG image. And our only reason why I did that is because most people don't know what size the Facebook image size and IG image. Um, Please prepare for submission to the team. All right, so let's see if it pulls up. Let's get this ready for the graphics team. All right, so data submission, title, subtitle, image, and that's how I love it. Brand, call to action. So, right, please use colors for da 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 da. Sizes, Facebook image, Instagram image, purpose, promotional. Um, Voila. Now, if we take this and give this to the graphics department, baby, there's no room for misunderstanding. So this is a tool to help you, um, to provide very, very, very distinctive details to our team. And then I'm trying to think of the other thing. So can you help me create a marketing strategy? Um, Now this is for the outsourcing club. So Make sure you say for your brand. So these are ideas. So I might have to tweak this a little bit, but it's mainly to assist you. How can I delegate my non-revenue? It's mainly to assist you, number one, so that you can be more efficient in your business. And then when you submit requests to the team, they come across very clear. Um, and so we'll be making, changes. If you notice, we'll be making changes to this process as we continue to build out a more efficient methodology for you and the team. All right, so I'm signing off. DeKesha Williams, your webinar strategist. Be passionate, be purposeful, but more importantly, be profitable. I'll see you guys next time.